And today I want to show you how to sign into YouTube. So you want to sign into your YouTube account. The first, you must know that you're going to use a Google account. It's always a Google account. So what you do is that you can go to youtube.com on the website, or you use your app. Now this is the website here, and this is the app. So as you can see, I'm already signed in with a different account. So I want to sign in with a new account. So tap on you. Then you tap on the gear icon at the top, tap on switch account, and then tap on the plus icon at the top. Now you are ready to sign in. Remember I told you sign in using your Google account. So you put in the email, you put in your email, and then you put in your password. So tap on next. Yes, you put in the email. Next. List of you click on create account. For you have to create account. Is it personal or business use? Then you put in the first name, put in the surname, then you click on next. Surname is optional. Next, you put in your date, your month, and your year, then the gender. Once you're through with this, you click on next. I'm creating a Google account I'm going to use to sign into YouTube. So once you've done this, the next you follow the on-screen prompt, and once you're through with creating the account, you automatically log into your YouTube. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.